AI and automation basics for your business. So, as business owners, we're wondering how to incorporate AI and automation in our business. And I think the biggest misconception is that we think that AI is something that we just plaster onto our business, when in fact, you need to think about it in terms of things that you're already doing in your business, e.g., just talking to your leads, your existing customer base. We're talking about WhatsApp marketing. We're talking about qualifying leads. We're talking about managing leads. We're talking about sales pipeline. How do you get all of your team to work together? So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about 3 ways that you can apply AI and automation to what you're already doing. So number 1, you have all of your leads. Maybe they're on a spreadsheet, maybe they're in your WhatsApp, and that's how you've been managing. And for a certain amount of time in a business, that can work, and that's great. Say you've got 30, 40, 50 customers. But when you start to get a bigger customer base than that, and you're starting to acquire new leads, you need a system to help you to manage them, but not just manage them manually, to manage them in an automatic type of way. And that's where our CRM and software and AI automation tool comes into play. It allows you to connect to all the places online where you're getting your leads from, so e.g. WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and your website, and they directly, automatically come into the system. But not only that, it gets better. You can actually make sure those leads are dropped into one screen, which is your sales pipelines. So essentially the sales journey that you take your leads through, e.g. first contact, discovery call, or contacting the lead, then you send them the quotation, then you follow up, etc., etc. So it allows you to do that. So that's one way you can automate your sales and marketing. What's another way? Another way that business owners are currently struggling with is having WhatsApp just on their phone. As the manager of the business, or say you have 1 or 2 salespeople, or even 10 in your team, the WhatsApp is on everybody's phone. It's individual. Nobody knows really what's going on. The manager can't see clearly how many leads they got in, where they are in the sales journey, have they been followed up, have they been lost. Say if somebody leaves the company and they take the WhatsApp, it's very, very messy. So what another way you can automate your business and your WhatsApp is connect your WhatsApp number to a system. Then all your team members are added to that system. And as the manager or the owner, you can see what's going on from a top level summary. You can also see reports on how your team is performing. So you can see how many leads were won that month, how many were lost. You can ultimately start to performance manage your team. And one of the last but not final ways that you can apply AI and automation to your business is by that job and those questions that every customer asks. As a service-based or product-based business, your customers are always asking the same questions. Say, for example, you have an automotive business. They might be inquiring all the time, do you do a service? My MOT is due, battery needs changing, things like that. What if you could automate that process? With our software, Yalla AI and automation, you can automate that by putting a qualifying, filtering chatbot in that part of the process. What does that allow you to do? It allows you to basically train up that bot based on every single thing that you provide in your business. So whether it's your website, whether it's a product sheet, whether you just want to input a lot of information, you can train the bot on that. And then that will act as your qualifying bot. So you don't need a person to do that part of the process. Obviously, when it comes to the salesperson speaking to the customer, yes, that needs to happen. But before that, you don't need to waste your salespeople time. You can automate that. And the bot can even send invoices, send quotes, and even send payment links. So that is 3 ways that you can automate your business in 2026. Let me know any other questions about AI and automation and how you are looking to apply it to your sales and marketing. And if you're interested, then comment AI and automation, and I'll send you a free ebook, which basically details 5 ways that you can apply AI and automation to your business.